So this is a bound-up woman.
Yes.
Who represents Ugandans during the colonialism.
Yeah.
Border.
Yeah, Uganda.
Yeah, this is Uganda.
We are in Kampala, Uganda. And yesterday was a long day traveling from Kenya to Uganda. And so we just rested last night. And we're still a little tired today. So I'm thinking next time we might do a road trip, jump on a train, but we're not. I don't think we'll do that again, and don't recommend it. Yo, what's going on, good people? So we just got back from the supermarket and here in Uganda, Kampala, Uganda, and like I said earlier, like everything is slower. You know, it took a while for the drivers to get here. Had to cancel one of the drivers because he didn't want to come. But when we finally got one to show up, he explained that in Uganda, they don't like taking prepaid rides because they don't get paid from Uber for 7 days. So that might be some of the reason. Some people have been reluctant to take our requests. And so we worked out an arrangement with the brother who picked us up for him to be our driver around town. My girl hooked me up. We're chilling in Uganda. And I'm on my way. I'm out here feeling good, y'all. Thanking the Lord. Look at my little twin. I love you, Christopher. Nice lips, man.
Thank you.
I'm stuck on you. We're in Kampala, Uganda, and we are going to get a tour of the city and experience some of the neighborhoods and learn as much as we can today about Kampala. And the guy, you know, told us to wear our backpacks in the front and don't bring valuables with us because, you know, people might watch us. But, you know, I'm believing we're gonna have a great experience today. We're gonna learn a lot, eat some good food, make some friends, and just have a wonderful time. So our other driver he's stuck in traffic this morning, so we had to improvise. we had to improvise. So I got my ugly little girl back there, my two ugly sons, and my beautiful wife. You know, no offense, guys. Man, but there's a system here. Like, everybody knows what to do. Just standing in the street. Hey, you guys, this is our friend Arthur, who is leading us around Uganda today. And so if you ever come to town, this is your guy.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you. This monument here is called the World War Monument.
Okay.
Yeah, and there are a few pictures here for you to have a look and see. Yeah. For Uganda, we had about 70,000 men. What?
70,000.
Yeah, my own maternal grandfather also was one of them.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
cool.
That's very cool.
Yes. So, yeah, and at the end of the war, about 5,000, 6,000 lost their lives. And they came back here and they put this monument to recognize the efforts that they made and to also remember the lives of those that died during the war. But the problem is many of the soldiers that fought were not compensated, so they lived miserable lives after the war.
Is that right?
Yeah, in depression and in poverty and things like that.
So they fought for the country, they fought for the British never helped.
They didn't help at the end, so it was it's quite a very sad story for Uganda in terms of its participation in the war.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is a bound-up woman
Yes.
who represents
Yes.
Ugandans during the colonialism.
Yeah.
And the child represents the independence.
Exactly. Yeah.
And that's beautiful.
And you can see the colors of the flag are right behind there. Sometimes when I bring people from Germany here or some Jewish people, I try to explain to them that it means something else, because for them it's something very, yeah.
Sacred. Oh, for
Jewish people, yeah.
Yeah. It represents death for them.
Yes, yes,
But this is great.
yes.
We're trying to get some bodas to ride to the next destination, but it's gonna be like 5 of us up here.
Boda.
Yeah, Uganda.
Yeah, this is Uganda. Boda there.
Yeah, we're from USA. But this is our first time in Uganda. Man, it's real out here. Boda.
Yeah.
This is nice, my friend. This is nice.
Yeah, Boda is very good. For the developing country.
Yes. Uganda. Yeah.
Kampala, Uganda.
Kampala, Uganda. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. That was fun. That was fun. How y'all doing? That was dope. That was dope. Boda. Uganda. Were you okay?
Yeah.
It's fun.
I tried to do that, but then I hit a speed bump and I almost fell off.
Yeah. Holding on the back or the front?
No, I wasn't holding on at all because I saw some people were just sitting and I said, okay, I might as well just sit too.
Arthur, whoa.
Man, hey, that was dope, man. That was dope.
Yeah. I know it was a bit scary, but
For her,
that's how we get about.
I love that.
Yeah.
That was dope. That was dope.
Yeah, I told them explicitly to go as slow as possible.
Oh, you told them to?
Yeah, and they are experienced. They are older guys.
Yeah.
So in Kampala, the older men are more careful, but there are younger guys who just go so fast.
Yeah.
So with them, you have to really have a heart of steel.
So we are doing all this to show to God that He is our Creator and He is the one we are supposed to prostrate for, not any other human being, not any nature, apart from one living.
How you feeling?
Good.
I'm great. And one last view. What? Okay. So we are leaving the minaret of the Gaddafi Mosque here. It's the Gaddafi Mosque, right? The Gaddafi Mosque, and it was really just the best view we could have dreamed of, man. Like, Today, I can't wait to tell you all about just how beautiful today was. We got to see a presidential, what's it called? Convoy, a presidential convoy. We sat and drank some coffee and some juice at this cafe, and saw the president roll by with his convoy. Man, we rode bodas. We stopped at several monuments: the World War Monument, the Independence Monument, King Edward Matessa Monument. We saw the Parliament. I couldn't record, because of security reasons. But it's just really been a rich day. And then topping it off here with the view from the mosque and Nakasero Market and the spices over there. Oh man, you guys got to come to Kampala, and you got to come hang out with Arthur. This brother here will hook you up. He will hook you up. I'm telling you, I'm gonna put his information on this video, and if you're ever coming or just want help planning a trip, I'm sure Arthur could help you with all of that, right?
Yeah, definitely.
He's got you.
Yeah. For Kampala, I got you covered, man.
Yeah. So I'm gonna hook you up. What's up, Chris?
Hey, you know what about in America?
No.
Hey, when you want to move, you use what here?
You just car, Uber?
Hey, Uber?
Yeah, Uber, but no Bora Bora.
No, what about it?
No, not in America. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Also has money.
Yeah.
Camera is very tiny.
Oh, tiny, yeah. It's a good camera to capture stuff like this. Nice clear. Hey, this is my guy Musa in the building. All right, brother. Take care. What's up, my brother?
Come back.
I'm back, man.
Welcome back.
How are you?
I'm
Oh, let me get you. Andrew, right?
Yes, I'm Andrew.
Andrew, I'm Manny.
Yeah, that's good.
Man, I can't tell you guys the kind of joy we have from just being here. Yes, there's a whole lot of uncertainty, whole lot of just crazy traffic, organized chaos, but there's a structure here, there's a system here that is amazing, and they understand it, and they navigate through it, and they help you do the same. So you got to add Uganda to your list. I hope you do. We love this place. I am at the apartment like an hour before Alice and the kids, because I took a boda and they are taking an Uber. And the Uber, or the driver that we have today, his car really only holds 4 people. And so we decided that, okay, our daddy will take a boda, which is the motorcycle. Man, that ride was so fun. The bodas, they zip through traffic and go through holes, and they're able to just get you to your destination much faster. But Alice and the kids are stuck in traffic 45 minutes away, and I've been here just kind of chilling for 15 minutes already. I don't know when they're gonna get here, but if you come to Uganda, bodas are the way to go. And even in Kenya, to avoid being stuck in traffic, it's by far the best way to go, if you can get over your fear of the organized chaos that you will be a part of when navigating through all of this traffic. So I'm just gonna chill here. I don't know, maybe take a nap until they get here. This is where I am, outside the apartment where we're staying, because my family has the key and I don't. I think my family's here. I know my family's here. I almost fell asleep on the floor. You good? Hi, guys. How long have we been out today?
We have been out for 10 hours, 28 minutes, and 34 seconds.
Man, what did we do today?
Everything.
Still a great day.
Great full day, but just intense.